Everyone is aware of the train tragedy in Balasore that shook the nation, even the world. It is a time of immense grief and sorrow. But this accident has proved the strength of Odisha, its ability to rise up to the expectations during the time of crisis. It has manifested the compassion and humanity of the people of Odisha. Doctors, medical students, general public, all had one thing in their mind. Let's save a life, as many as we can. And we have saved more than 1,000 lives. People providing support to rescue operations, the long queues for blood donation are sights rare but invaluable. I am proud of my people. I am proud of Odisha. We have succeeded in cyclone management with a long-term strategy, COVID management with a medium-term strategy, and now in this case, we have proved that we are equally capable in managing such a sudden crisis requiring instant action. Thank you, Odisha.